Can you increase your energy without caffeine? Did you know there is a way to boost your energy naturally with 4 organic superfoods? The New York Times reported on a study. Twice as many patients reported less fatigue and more energy after 8 weeks on ginseng. Ginseng reduced fatigue and boosts daytime energy. Another rare superfood, rhodiola, was proven to enhance physical performance and ease mental fatigue. Cordyceps and reishi mushroom actually help lower the fatigue hormone cortisol and increase energy stores in the adrenal glands. All 4 of these extra-strength superfoods are featured in Organifi Red Juice, the organic, all-natural alternative to coffee, soda, and energy drinks. Drink Organifi Red Juice and feel uplifted and energized. Overcome the afternoon crash. Gain abundant energy for work, play, friends, and family. Organifi Red Juice is USDA organic, non-GMO, and has only 1 gram of sugar. Keep your energy up all day. Fight away fatigue and lack of motivation. Organifi Red Juice, designed to boost energy naturally. 100% caffeine-free. Adaptogenic superfoods to fuel your day. Click below to try Organifi Red Juice for 60 days risk-free.